Now, this question can look very, very tricky, but it's actually very, very simple. Okay, so we want to simplify 3 minus 2 root 5 all over root 5 minus 1. Okay, so the first step is to rationalize the denominator. So we're writing the question. We have 3 minus 2 root 5 all over root 5 minus 1. So rationalizing the denominator, we have to multiply it by the conjugate form of the denominator, which is root 5 plus 1. So the sign, which is subtraction over here, becomes addition over here. Okay, great. So divided by root 5 plus 1. Now you might say we've made some changes to the question, but actually no. This and this can cancel out to give you 1. So we've done nothing to the question. So we are going to have 3 minus 2 root 5 all multiplied by root 5 plus 1, all divided by, so this multiplies that. So you're going to have root 5 minus 1 all multiplied by root 5 plus 1. So now we have to simplify. Okay, now when you get here, you must take care because it is very, very easy to make a mistake. So we just have to do it step by step. Okay, great. So this is what we do. We are going to take this one to multiply the whole of this. Then after that, we take this to multiply the whole of that, just like expanding the bracket. So it's going to be 3 into brackets. Then we add this root 5 plus 1. Then we have minus 2 root 5 into brackets, root 5 plus 1. Okay, all over the same thing, root 5 into brackets, root 5 plus 1. Then we have minus 1 into brackets, root 5 plus 1. So multiplying this and that, you're going to have 3 root 5 plus 3, and then that and that, you're going to have minus 2 root 5 square, because it is root 5 times root 5. Then this will multiply this one, and then we are going to get minus 2 root 5 all over. Now root 5 times root 5 is going to give us root 5 square, so root 5 all square, and then we will have plus root 5, okay, minus root 5 minus 1. Great. So we have to simplify by grouping like terms. So first of all, we have 3 root 5 plus 3. Now minus 2. Now root 5 square becomes what? The square cancels the square root sign, giving you into brackets 5 minus 2 root 5, all divided by, now root 5 square is what? 5. Okay, because the square cancels the root sign, plus, now we have root 5 minus root 5, and that's going to give us 0. Okay, so let me break this here. 5. So if it gives us 0, it's going to be remaining what? Negative 1. So we are going to get 3 root 5 plus 3. Now 2 into bracket 5 is what? 10. So minus 10 minus 2 root 5 divided by 4. Great. So from here, we can bring this to this side, okay, to make it simple. So we're going to have 3 root 5 minus 2 root 5 plus 3 minus 10 is what? So straightforward, 3 minus 10 is minus 7 all over 4. To further simplify, we are going to get, now this is root 5, okay, so they can subtract, just like when you have variables and numbers. When you have 2x minus x, they can subtract because they have what? The same variable. So just like root 5 is common to them, they can also subtract. Okay, great. So 3 minus root 5 becomes root 5. It's actually 1 root 5, but I know 1 has a coefficient, we don't normally write it, so it's going to be minus 7 all over 4. So this question can get a bit dicey, but if you follow these steps, you'll be able to get the correct answer. So yeah, so when you simplify that, this is what you get. So if you enjoy contents like this, don't forget to leave a like and follow me for more.